Now, going back to this image, it's too dark inside. We can't see the inside. You might be tempted to expose the picture so we can see the things on the inside in a more normal brightness. You won't see that or that if you walk in the room. You will see something like that where your brain adjusts the picture you get, not your eyes, your brain, so that the outside looks okay and the inside looks okay. How do we do that? Well, kind of like the picture we did with the lady holding the bird over here, putting the bird into a hole that's cut out. We can use that polyagonal tool to cut holes in this to reveal that. So how do I do that? Well, let's start by using the move key. Select the picture, the brighter picture, hold down the Alt and Shift key and drag it over to that picture. Now you see that there's the dark picture and the light picture. If I then zoom in, let's zoom in on the top here of the picture, and let's take this one. Let's use that polyagonal drawing tool, and I'm going to make a quick selection for the video here. Like that. I could feather it, etc., etc. I'm just going to cut that out now like we did with the picture of the young lady. Edit, cut, and there's part of the outside in the normal exposure. I go through and do all of the windows that way, and I will end up with a picture like that. Something that's an easy fix for that outdoor-indoor exposure problem. The last tool I want to look at, let's put these aside, is the magic wand, magic elliptical tool. Let's make this puppy a little bigger. The magnetic lasso tool is at the bottom of that group. You have to click and select it. What it does is it follows pixels that have the same color and includes them in your selection. You don't have to actually draw, but we will at the end of this. I'll show you why. I'm going to first of all click on the puppy's chin and then just kind of follow the dog's face along. I'm not holding the mouse down now. I'll bring the thing over here to this part of the chin. We'll get the rest of that later. And when it makes a little circle, that means that the selection is complete. Now, if we look at that, of course, we haven't got the whole face. We need to start up here at the top. I'm going to hold down the Shift key to add to my selection. And again, I'm just dragging the pointer along. Like so. Got some areas I missed, and that's going to give me a chance to use the lasso tool to fill those in. I'll hold down the Shift key to add to it, and I will just drag a circle around like that. That adds that part. Make sure I've got everything I want up here. Got some down here I need to fill in too, I missed. And let's see how that looks. And there I've selected the dog. That's with the magnetic lasso tool. That can be used for things that aren't regularly shaped, like that cardboard this young lady was holding. And that's it. That's how these tools work. If you have questions about them, by all means, feel free to ask. I'd be glad to help you out with it. This is a brief introductory class in these tools. You don't have to consider yourself perfect when doing them on your own pictures. You learn how to use these tools by doing it. Yeah, you'll make some mistakes along the way, but that's okay. Just try it and see what you can do, and along the way, ask me questions if you have any of them. Thank you.